Mwanchumu rigereria mbia muna soko choregeta seni kiago gien Soko TV haso botko igabwa gatano na gatatu umutyonyega oikome na rimo mwako igabwe chiri bubere 25 no gusaba kwa nenga gwatwara rituko rigiya ritukuria sabato kwa bere gokwego kene merobero yagendera sembeo yen Soko TV nabona senchira ya bene ngo kwaregania semesa yama yakuru Soko ensa eyamo botko bware rotosange na kurigereria narariya aene kiwe kuru ase chinsemo au chingongonye chense anamona aseto kumonekera orogongorwa gusi county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira abigo chi county chonse 45 na ibere ase ense ya Kenya mwancho murigeria ase obutko bwarero ase nkwana ya bene ntochiko sanga nere Jerry Kenyansa oyure omuchaki wekyombe ya Counties Commuter Welfare Association bose kokoa achikotomanya hasense media ya egotabanga Safe Roads for All yani chipara echo chira senchirengia asabanto bonse anemono bali bago chitumeka chinga kechiga chirusa entambe anemono kwenekya umutumukase chinsemo au asabana inchi bago suka kurwenseme mo kochiensemo yende unenchiremo yogochi gochengera eruseiga igonto chiko sanga sensemo ya kabere komanya ekere ruseiga egendrete nararia ya aye omwanchu murigere naboigo amate yagende yonsi erierengete kochego meka chipara cheito mbitango kibabwente kwerusanania na birobyo nabwo kweneke buna nkwirenda bare na kurenda oyo bare nere ase chipara cheito na nemona ase mbasokane menge yabire ge kweneki wase obonge ase amatuko bwango igahigo gendra kusanga na intwe na gutubwatia ase ensemo yemitandao ensemo ya Facebook ensemo ya YouTube nabwo igo bari bagotubwatia ase ensemo ya TikTok no tore live buna en Soko TV buna butambe nche nkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri baga ya director Zaki Kenya hoyo kombwata siabo tukobwara kuru ase studio ya kabiri guchikone kabuna marugia iga nechibicha nachiko wochira senchirengia asegeka kirebosio togo sabonya ko bakugikaransa oike obe na into kurbona we komwerio asekeri buna MSM yakuru ensoko ensa emo achakire bono kurende asenchire yoko yachuta
takonyo ike iga asekenyore kiyichibobi onyare ntukoigwete na yo nyare kosoyo koboko
yamate kuru chibobi gesusugo sababu konyi bokonyora wheelchair korro byobogima bo mwamatobo amenyeto no barema
pasta na yandiga yodana moya ni nyumba tate abo
njore buna umurai na nimba korra magendro muske Hilary Nyanga hosabira abanyari bari bamasaba.
I'm pleading with all the candidates that on behalf of ODM party kindly take note that when you go to cause mayhem in these elections, you may end up also harming young ones.
Lekiama ya ODM nigo ya sabire omorembe bosibo bochoyo bokeboro beyo mweri bo motyenyoyo. Karibu sana mwanchu murigeria wana mayakuru ensoko ensa emo togochaka no roboti rokubwatia kurwase county ya Kisii na ase omoyiga wa matanga woko mwenia homongina ana mura aboki ayonyara koba kago korekana ase ensemo ya geteri ewodi ya gesusu ensemo ye bunge anyari bari masaba se wodi yo hebagaine ne wodi eria ya nyacheki asabarai bage siasa banyara koba bagwikirana senseme yo bakoragwamo no mu MCA we wodi ya nyacheki omwishimiwa Naftar Onkoba na boigo oyo koria ekerogo kebo jumbe hasenseme yo ya nyari bari masaba mu engineer Hilary Nyanga asobwamo banyara koba bakuruko bolye gochia saba sai weso kya sobonge bunenchire mu gochia kweri kya koba bakichikura erio kwene kya gokora mu nchoria ase obochoryo bone bori bosio bo mwaka bwechirubere 25 na ibere chinga kecho boigo nigo mu engineer Hilary Nyanga aruro koboria ochi asabamenyi bense moye bunge yo yanyari bari masaba ko mwako boko na komubwata sia seganga yayo borai bosio bochoryo bo hiri achiko baenekaria amagendro na gotumanyo muri kito Sophie Oigara
se amatanga yoko mwenye nyagosira anamura oboki ayo anyara gukorekana ase chinsemo cha geteri ewodi ya gesusu ere bagaine ne wodi ya nyachaki ime ye bunge nyari bari masaba neria ya bobasi ase abasani nabarai banyara guikirana komwa eskoyo mwerio kurwa ase obiko bwense
ase familia kubate pole sana na oturamo kurwenga kiyo nonyani goro ekeraba mwango no musafara na bito ko kwanenga regali abo golitia ba
nonya nabo amatangayo nigo anyara guikiranwa nabarayi bechingenjo baria bare ase birogo by'oburai na baria bakoboria amo na baria baikirana no mu MCA Onyachaki Naftar Onkoba no yogo chakoboria ekerogo ky'obujumbe bwanyaribali Masaba Engineer Hilal Nyanga na bubanya benyorera ribaga yogosemia abasae kubwata chikura
kwa ndugu mwanasiasa kuna mkwano rega linga one time singe chuo mwa kongere pi kurura ali serikali lakini na wewe anataka one time onye to kubwate kura to take responsibility to tell our youth Gen Z's walitoka kwa twagende district kubwate chikura aso wonge ewe 2027 ni tutubwate chinguru chogo chorabarai
Tinga kecho nigo Engineer Hilal Nyanga enyorera ribaga yogukwanera abamenyi kurwa sensemeyo abo asabatebya buna umwaka 2027 noare asokurwanerera ekerogo ky'obujumbe bwanyaribali Masaba abasanyara ko basemya wakachikura chokoleta amagenderero ayu arachikuimukia nyaribali Masaba igoro
abantu bamindongo yamono sana mwambwate sikira inji era undi elia lakini jeisana nimaite wono moja ukunwe nkoro pasta na yangi yote na moja ni nyumba tate yao kusewono pasta tate ni nyumba ya Nyasaye na inu wanga chikura moja ni nyumba
asenonya umugambi w'ikenyore ikunere anyara gosemia abayiburi na barabo ingango cebari kwenne kya korenda abana babo cinga keciga bare asomutimuko werusa entambe nako basemia gotiga enaro yo kunya gutuma abana gocha amairi
abana bakabarenda byaki kugonjwa bya children yagara ko niga kwataka ko receive cases indiscipline cases ya abana Renda abayibori renda abana bayirega ku parenting is not a delegated responsibility gotomo mwana go cyariyo bori ayabona ko manyanga ndiya kabakuruke ko yana gocha asare bera na abana bayino
nguripotere egetesene kiga gensoko kurwa account ya Kise nchenkurwa Sophie Oigara
Anchomo rigereria togoska bosia sorbot ronde rokobwatia umurwandiri w'ikergo ky'obujumbe ase ensemo y'ebunge ya Kasipul onyara koba kugikira chiburaburu echo cyane kiwa matuko abwangwega hasegati yabamenyi abanyara koba gusira magima abona abande gutigirwa chingoma hasoko ngusana na hegati yababwatani babara yabo bakuriya oboraya sobachorio boke obo bogoroberia gochiakone kiwa mweri bumutinyo iga obachorio bo nigo bono bokwariganiwa maiga yo mujumbe bwensemeyo ngondo were gosiria obogima bwae asokoraswa nabantu batamanyire ase omocho Nairobi
by violence and elimination can be restrained if somebody comes out to maintain law and order. We urge the police to come out and do so if it is their work, not ours. Finally, I call upon all leaders to put the interest of our people first. Let us honor the memories of those who we have lost by building a community rooted in love, respect and understanding. To the people of Kasipul, we are resilient people. We have faced challenges before and emerged stronger each time. Together we'll overcome this moment of sorrow and continue our journey towards a peaceful and prosperous Kasipul. May the souls of the departed rest in eternal peace and may God bless Kasipul.
All candidates who are going to participate in this election take into account that we are in a period where all schools are closed. And all these rallies are not only attended by mature people, but also by young school-going students who are actually attracted by either the noise or by the activities that are going on around where they are. I'm pleading with all the candidates that on behalf of ODM party, kindly take note that when you go to cause mayhem in these elections, you may end up also harming young ones.
We want a peaceful coexistence. Two, I want to also reiterate that as the area MCA where we have the victims, who most of them were beaten, and we also had two who succumbed to this incident, I want to send the message of condolence to my people, and I want to say that let us have peace such that we can have, at the end of everything, we shall have a candidate. And I want to say that we have a prominent candidate.
Togoska bosio mwancho muregeria sorbot ronde rwekero kyobo konyi he amatemo kurwase ekenyoro yechibobi igigotoka se wodi ya Gesusu ensemo ya bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ase county ya Kisii nigo baisokire na gusaba bakonyi bokwenyorera wheelchair elio bachie konyara koba bakorobya hobogima bobu amatobo oyo menyete no barema nabona omurikito Sophie Igara akoerra asorbotiro kobwatia nigo eamateyo ya sabire abarai bonsi abo babwate homoyo bwanja nabo igabana inchi wesokia na kobakonya gukora umuchando yo
Mate eyemo kurwa ase kinyurugie chibobi gegotoka ime ye wodi ya Gesusu ebunge Nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii nigo ritkoria rero banyarire gwesokya na gusaba obokonyi kubatikana n'oburemeru amo na makongu babeire bagwetera asegeka kemia kabono
oyo gamu muruminto aki obunikire miaka 7 tokwana tokubeka nyomba aki yori no gokonya tigamokonye
oyo rwarete n'endugu yane omonene iganyoreta chali yange miaka 7 yaetire akabunike bachu ime ukamuira akabikirwa ichuma akaraba ange omwako mugima atari gutara akoeni gukurwa obikumwaye oeni gukurwa ryo ochansika
nonya nabo nigo banyara gukwana na goteba buna umugaka omonyene nkeyo nigo arwarire asegeka kemiaka 5 magega yokonyora umubasokano uyireretse kore Maria amagoro ayonsi komenta nayo nigo bateba buna banyarire konekere gento kurwa asenkeyo erinde gotema gwisania chibesa eche nonya tirachikubakonya kugorera umugaka uyu wheelchair kurende ogotema kwabo nkoranyora matunda ande
yamenyete no bokongo nene mugako yabunegete ngo muimuki koru nyomba namasokisiko abekere chichuma magoronsi asumbukire miaka 7 ngo masoki ngo muira ni nyomba jino monto ngo soke ikabarua bono ngasunyi ngo soka bono ngachaka gokole mirimo yayo ko masoki nakumuira ni isiko nakumuira no gosibigwa tari konyara gwesibia asenge nchabekire chichuma
bono naende igaika engaki agacha gatengeri naende akabuneke bachwende bono ni gachandigite omungi noe gachandigite igakomoenia omoreta nsiko mwanikira omwaso aisa kogenda kumurigeri chingeni gose mugonda agenda embure isa gutwa na monto tayo muchia igakonyora otwereruska
abo asebanyarire gosaba abasamaria bari bare no moyo bw'ogwancha gwesokia erinde banyare kubasira konyora wheelchair eyera chigokonya omugako yo gusukira nonya no gutarera
bono ngusaba gaki yo na liso lya mabera amokonye guri chiagaki erinyole libaga gwesoki bieke erinyole libaga na nchesoke kebarua nyenyorere kende bono gaki ngusaba liso lya mabera ochumbe torera mabera nera rukende guri chatu yoka
wanne na mukine nkeyo mukigura bogete kende nke yandike komokonya ande gaki nonya baba Anthony aibachiete twabaete chikura baba simbarati natonya toto gaki ngutumoigwetera kini ntwanya komorora arabu noyo ndoyo manduku ochite bakagesona ngai gakiera achietere ndi miaka yaerire kana akonye muno yo gochandikite kana gaki naye tokonye oike gase kenyore kiye chibobi onyare ntuko igwete nayo nyare gosoyo koboko nabo gaki to gukorigerere na indu tata gaki tokonye ke wasakana igwire janone yemo
ngoripoteria igetesene kigagia nsoko kuroiga Gesusu ime Nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii inche nkoro kwa Sophie Igara
Bemano Morikito Sophie Igara na roboti rwa senjira yoboikera ntoguskabosyo mwancho muregari ya muraibu ya Kenya Muskuli ya Ruto nigo ritukoria rero haenekirie hokwenonwa wensemo ya Amboseli National Park kurwa serikali nene gochia serikali ya county ya Kajiado nigere bune nchira yamo yogokonya county yo ne county chinde isato hecho chire cyo bamenyo obwegesa ku kyaba manyi bune nchira yamo yogochia kwenekina barabo nkogendere bare omugano obwegesa ku kyabo hayaniga enekiwa sumoyiga bugochengera hegesa kwekyo oyuikerana oyuika ritukoria gatatu rero naboigo homuraibu ense negati ya barai akurwa serikali nene banyara ko babagwikirana asebanekia humuroberi uyu
of the management functions of Amboseli National Park to the county government of Kajiado from the national government, to whom these presents shall come. Greetings. Whereas Amboseli National Park, previously known as the Southern Reserve for Maasai, and later the Maasai Amboseli Game Reserve, has undergone a remarkable evolution from Maasai ancestral ownership through a period of colonial control to joint stewardship by the government and the local community.
The Maa Nation has been lamenting, has been crying, has been praying, has been doing everything to say, while we have been the community that has embraced other Kenyans who live with us, we continue to suffer serious historical injustices on our land. And today, Mr. President, you have stood with us.
Ikiwa Mmasai yuko Samburu, ama yuko Kajiado, ama yuko Narok, ama yuko pahali pengine, hata Arusha, nimeona kwamba nyinyi kama kuna lengo, na kuna wazo, na kuna nia, mnakuja pamoja na mnatatua.
As part of preserving the splendor of our heritage, advancing our national aspiration for shared prosperity, and in exercise of the authority vested in the heads of state of Kenya, today I have directed that the management of Amboseli National Park is now vested in the county government of Kajiado.
Tukuskabusio mwanchu murigeria soroboti ronde nikobono haba engineer barurege kurege tindi gochiase serikali kubwatekana n'umuswada hoyu ore ase bunge yorigetie gokora monchuria aseri chiko hande mona sensemeria yechinguru cy'umuriro westima egatambokere kyobono nigo kegochia koirera rigori ryechinguru cy'umuriro westima gokina okwana bosio bwe committee ye senate yetendrete henseme yechinguru cy'umuriro westima ritukoria igoro umurai o Institute of Engineers of Kenya engineer Samuel Kiteme nigo bona atebire hamaguria maiya agochaka koira rigori ryestima komenta une ubiswe rirache komenta nekia abana inchi mbachikonyara kwa bagutora chinga gichinkongo goikirani ayons.
Increase the cost of energy projects which engineers are involved in, and oftentimes we are accused of hiking the cost so that we can get a cut. We think that the ripple effect is that we'll have a cost of energy to consumers going high. And where maintenance of well leaves is an issue, we believe that counties can develop bylaws to levy penalties on offending utilities instead of, amending the act, the Mother Act, so that then they can feel the pain and the need to comply and making sure that the well leaf maintenance is something that counties can easily handle, as opposed to the current situation. So we do believe that that amendment of the clause does not deal with the root cause, which is stated in the memorandum of these changes. And so therefore our position is categorically, Chair, that you do not amend, but you retain the current clause as it is.
Tukuskabusio mwanju murigerio kuborigwa nikobono kwa rurwe gochiase serikali koenekia kurwere obasemia gochiase abana inchi na nemono chi company igoro yechinjera cyugwetanga kurwase amakongo hayo agonyora chi company au nabigo obonchoria au uko nokuboria kwa rurwe no managing director we company ya Erad organization Stephen Gitahi oyo nyarako bakago teba bakorie meroma bange tibari no manyi boigo na babwati bomanyi bokweroberia gochaka obonchoria au.
What informed me to come up with this forum is to see the need of sensitizing the business owners on why risk management is very critical for profitability and growth. Because you find 70% of the businesses are closing shops before their 5th year of operation because of the risk that were evitable. But unfortunately, these businesses were not able to identify this risk before they became catastrophic to the business, which led to their closing.
Data, we can also protect our internal data, and we are also capable of not only protecting the data, but how we handle the data, how we store the data, the frequency of the backups, and how safe that data has to be. and also the diversity of how we're going to store the data. So there are some suggestions. There's also the cloud storage, as well as having a physical storage, and also the frequency matters.
Educate me more about risk in terms of business, and as I've learned just in the session, it also goes to individual risks that I may incur. For me, what it has taught me is that probably the lack of knowledge makes you feel like you're very small, okay? But with the right knowledge and understanding, you can be able to enhance your business and make yourself better and whatever industry you are in as well, okay? And as a session that is going on right now, we're also learning that there are other ways you can be able to get funding to grow your business. They will come, they will do for you the risk analysis, your financial analysis and all that. And they can also help you to be able to get the funding that you need.
Or business coaching to understand the kind of business. Now, government can come in to assist these investors, because you find a lot of people could be having capital, but they don't have the skills to do business. So government can come in with issue of subsidies to bridge the skills gap that highly exist in the market.
Tuguska bosio mwanchumu rigerio kugani kororo handa mono kurwa sabarai kurwa sensemo ya Mount Elgon kwenekia abuna habatakanwa nkonyara bare ko bagosirwa nabago guchakirwa emirobirira chikoba kwanya barabu kwegenderia ase umubaro orokirie unabatakanwa bange kurwa se chinsemecho nigo bago eso ya sobonchoria bo kwenga amarwa naboigo amario gari atancheiri egento bono gikoirira abange babo gosiria amagima abo naboigo koirira egesaku gosareka egati yabara yabasobati nigo baesokire na kwenekia mbachigo chaka na kugenderia emirobirio hirachiko konya habatakanwa abo kurwa se chinsemecho.
Ofisi ya nakada itakuja hapa ili wasikize, tufanye ili tuweze kuona kwamba hao partners wetu wote, kama kuna mtu kwa sababu ya umaskini ambaye ameingia kwa mambo ya kutengeneza pombe, tuone njia ya kuweza kuondoa.
I think kuna vikundi ambayo mumejipanga katika kila ward. I think kuna ships ambazo zinapatiwa katika the 6 ward. Na tunasema lazima ikuwe merry-go-round. Leo kikundi ukipata ship akizaa, turudishie ule mtoto. Turudishie ule mtoto ili tupatie kikundi ingi.
Tunaomba kwamba muzi ingie tena mambo ya pombe haramu. Pombe haramu ndio imepoteza watoto wetu. Ukichunga mtoto wako, chunga pia mtoto wa jirani. Kwa sababu usipatie mtoto wa jirani pombe, ukifikiria unadhuru mtoto wa jirani, uko unadhuru mtoto wako. Kwa sababu mtoto wa jirani wakati atakuwa kule mambo zile zingine za pombe, hata yako atajua na kwamba wache niende nikunywe pombe. Kwa hivyo sisi wote tutapoteza tukiingia mambo. Na nimeshukuru kwa sababu program hii sasa imewafunza.
Lakini leo nataka hapa kila mjane yako hapa apande nini? Panda kahawa. You will never go wrong. Na mimi na marafiki zangu ambao nitaenda kuwahimiza, nataka kupledge 500,000 seedlings ya coffee kwa wajane. Tutaongea na kina mama Rosalind, tuone vile tutaorganize next planting season from April. Tutakuja na ile tutapata, lakini mpaka 500,000 itoshe kila mama. Lakini before tulete, lazima uchimbe machine.
Mwanchumu rigeria wikiragwo no tuikira mwerio bwenseme ya maya okumanya aya aenekiwe kurende buna nachika gukurira eira asensemo ya kabere nkwana yawe no botuko bware ronto chugo sanganere Jerry Kenyansa umuchaki na boigo munyakero bwo ikyombekeri ya Counties Commuter Welfare Association kokowa ekikerengete gukwandra hamangana yo kwerenda asensemo ye chipara na boigo kwenekia intutwensi na bali bonsi bagotumeka chipara na ki bakwerenda nane mono mwanchumu rigera chinga kechiga chiruse ige ntambe hase abana inchi bagosuka kurwenseme yende uchikurwenseme ya mugo chiyende na kibaranya ariko bakwerenda hayo na asensemo ya kabere koko sabanga toskare gendra kubwati emirobiri gendrete ase embe onkwera nanda segeka gitari getambe no mugenione ase studio.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. obulimire bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kulenge tali nchira ndio sura krobulimi obyoke enyoreri ribaga lya bene kwaegwa migirio chisemi nobosemia igiri obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolemi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
gaja konyana eyinsimegete ntera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyana nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile chukuri ya Jumaine chinsa ni bere cha muragoba weka